Hi, in this video, we will see how to import and export orders using the Order Coupon Subscription Import Export plugin for WooCommerce. To begin, go to the WebToffee Import Export Pro from your WordPress dashboard. For exporting, click on Export. Here, select Order as the post type. On the next step, you can choose between different export methods. Here, we choose Quick Export and move to Step 3 for advanced options. You can also run a quick export directly from the previous step. In the next step, you can adjust advanced export options such as batch processing and other export settings. Once done, click Export. Next, click Download. Your export file is now ready. Now, to import orders, head to Import. Choose Order as the post type and select an import method. In this example, we are using Quick Import as the import method. Here we choose an import file and continue to Step 3 for advanced options. In the next step, you can configure advanced import options such as batch processing and other import settings. Click Import to proceed. Your import has been successfully completed. With this plugin, you can also migrate data using other export methods like pre-saved templates and advanced import and export. Advanced options also let you filter data that needs to be exported, automate imports and exports using FTP profiles and schedules. Also track everything with detailed history, logs, and cron schedules. Thanks for watching.